Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your data log and check engine indicators on your dash. First thing you're going to want to do is go to your CAN bus test modes tab, go to CAN real-time data broadcasting, make sure option 10 is set and enabled. Then you're going to want to go to CAN real-time data broadcasting 3 and make sure 43 is set. That is for the data log. Then your data log indicator is going to only trigger if there's a write going to the SD card in your controller. So in this instance, I have an automatic log set to anything above 3,000 RPMs. I have them in 1 minute intervals. And if I run the stimulator over 3,000, it turns the light on for 1 minute. If I go below 3,000, it shuts it off. And then as far as the check engine light goes, go to your check engine light tab and enable it. You don't have to use a light output because it's going to read the status field. So you just have to have this enabled, set these variables to whatever you want to trigger your check engine light, and then you will see the red CE down in the bottom left hand corner of the dash, and that will let you know you got something up.